So, the Supreme Court has denied retroactive benefits for unique special cases for veterans filing disability claims. Let's talk about it. DP here with Veterans Network Champions Club, VNCC, and today we are talking about the Supreme Court decision that we've talked about a little bit before. Basically, they've denied the case of Arellano versus McDonough. And this is a case, again, I've talked about it before, where we have a veteran in this case who was released from service, got out, dealt with a bunch of different issues. Here you'll see it says, for example, this has been debated for a while in court. He was seriously injured in an accident aboard an aircraft carrier in the 80s, was medically retired a year later, suffered bipolar, schizophrenic disorders as a result, spent many years living on the streets or under the care of family members, and fast forward 2011, finally files a claim after that time and wins. But now the conversation becomes for veterans who, let's say, are unable to file a claim within 1 year of service or something happens, right? Can there be extraneous circumstances to file a claim to be backdated? Again, not for everyone, not just I forgot to file a claim or I didn't file a claim because, I didn't get around to it. No, in this situation here, there's a medical reason. This also, this conversation also has, merit within, let's say, the MST crew, right? Let's say we have veterans who have suffered MST, military sexual trauma, and in turn may have not filed for a period of time for a myriad of reasons, right? So these are special circumstances, not just, hey, we're going to give everybody back pay for 10, 20, 30 years. No, this is, again, a unique situation that has to meet certain requirements, and that did not pass. So that was shot down at the Supreme Court. This happened a few weeks back. I've talked about the MST side of the house, the Arellano case itself, but I wanted to at least talk about this and ask the question, what do you think? Do you think that this is a case that should be, let's say, approved, right, for veterans in that specific situation? Again, those that for medical or extraneous circumstances were unable to file and can justify and show why they did not for back pay purposes. So what are your thoughts when it comes to this decision that just took place not too long ago?